Bonjour, this is Travelling Fabulously. I'm in Cognac at Cognac Bertrand. Cognac Bertrand are a fabulous boutique cognac maker that have been making cognac here for generations. Thérèse Bertrand, her grandfather actually planted these trees that you see growing behind me.
Bonjour, I'm Thérèse Bertrand and I represent this family producers of cognac and Pinot de Charente.
Thérèse, how old is Cognac Bertrand?
So we exist since 1731. We used to be windmillers and wine growers, and it's been a long time. So 1731 is the date that we could trace back from our windmill, and around our windmill we have a whole ridge of vineyards. And so when my grandparents married, the side of the Bertrand and the side of the Valais, which was my grandmother's side, joined, which is now called Domaine des Brissons de l'Age, but we kept Bertrand as our brand name.
Your grandfather, he had a big influence on the business here, is that right?
Huge influence. Him and my grandmother worked really hard to make this place look first beautiful, and also to make sure that the next generations would have enough cognac to put in a bottle. And this is what, when we arrived, we managed to find is a cellar full of amazing cognacs which were over 30, 40, 50 years old, which now allows us to do limited editions and things like that to put into value what they weren't.
You a small or a large cognac house?
I think it depends if you take it into account the space, which is the hectares of vines. We would consider ourselves as a medium-sized company.
Okay.
But if you consider the bottle side of it, which is the selling of our own branding, we're relatively small. We try to focus on the quality versus the quantity, so we are relatively small in that aspect. We try our best.
How important is Hennessy to cognac and to yourselves?
So we have a very long history relationship with Hennessy since they've always been buying our cognac, and we sell most of our production to Hennessy. So I would say they are very important to us, but they're probably very important to a lot of families around here who they also live with the purchases of Hennessy. And it's the biggest cognac brand, so they move and they give a lot of work around here. And they also promote the image of cognac around the world, so I'd say it's a really good thing.
Can people come and visit you here?
Yes, absolutely. So we have two types of tours. We have a classic tour and a private tour. The classic tour is an hour and the private tour is 2 hours. I'd say if you've never done a cognac visit, just come for the 1 hour tour and it would give you enough information. It also includes a tasting. And if you already know a little bit about cognac, then come for the 2 hour tour, because we get into a bit more deep details and depth about the production of cognac. But I'd say both are good. You can email us or follow us on Instagram at Cognac Bertrand.
Where's a good place in the Cognac region to go and stay?
We have the Jean-Zac, which is literally 5 minutes from us, and it's got great little restaurants and enough places to stay. But you also have the city of Cognac, where you can go and have fun cognac cocktails in rooftops, fun meals also, and lovely places to stay.
What is the best time of the year, or is it all year round that we should be coming to Cognac?
I would recommend to come between spring to autumn, because it's beautiful when you look at the scenery of Cognac and you see all these vines which are completely full of green leaves, and you start seeing the grapes. So I would say sometime in the summer would be ideal, but if you can't come in the summer, then make sure it's like when the leaves start to come out, or in the autumn, right between harvest. So I'd say from April to end of September, October would be great.
That's it for my visit to Cognac Bertrand. I hope you can go visit them soon and have a fabulous tasting, just the same as I did.
It really is a wonderful and magical place.